Sabay-sabay natin alamin ang mga kaganapan na nangyayari sa ating bansa. Yo, what's up mga kaibigan? This is Aitoki po again. Ngayon nandito ulit tayo sa channel ni Banat Kapanig TV. Dito naman ulit tayo magbibigay ng komento at reaksyon. Kaya samahan nyo ako guys. Let's go!
Ito po kasi ay sub judice po. Nasa korte na po ngayon. At kami po ay nag-iingat lang at gusto po namin talagang makulong lahat ito.
I'm not asking the identity sa mga tao dito. I am just a general impression. Bakit nag-ship yung operations from mga Chinese, ngayon mga puti na involved. Yun lang, that's a general, I don't think this will jeopardize the case in court. Ang akin lang is, if you want to answer, bakit kaya bigla nag-ship na ganito, ibang tao na involved?
Your Honor, in as much as I want to answer your question, however, yung case na po is nasa court and there is an ongoing case build-up with the Department of Justice dito po sa pangyayaring ito, Your Honor. Sorry po.
Okay, but I just want to impress upon you that yung sub judice na yan, there is a Supreme Court ruling na whatever gustong malaman ng isang legislative inquiry ay hindi po yan covered ng sub judice rule, sabi ng Supreme Court. But anyway, that's beyond the, sabihin ko lang sa inyo, sinabi ko lang yan.
Mr. Chairperson,
yes,
lahat po ibibigay po namin sa inyo, okay, lahat po ng
kaya nga sir, kaya nga yung tawag ito, yung executive session natin,
yes, sir.
I'm willing to hear everything.
Yes, sir. Lahat po ng infong gusto nyo, bibigay po namin sa inyo.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for that. So, para hindi ma-break ito, bago tayo meron pang gusto magsalita about this?
Sir,
yes, sir.
At this point lang po, anyway, nandito na rin po lahat. I would just like to emphasize na archipelagic tayo, marami tayong isla. At kung makikita po natin ay puro tubig po ito, tamang-tama po andito po ang ating Coast Guard na tingin ko kailangan talaga ng suporta po talaga sila. At hindi lang suporta sa gamit, sa sinasabi nilang radar, pero higit sa lahat sa polisiya, yung tinatawag na pleasure boats, dahil hindi raw nila maipasok ng marina. At this point, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chairperson, can I give the floor to Commodore Tobilla of the Coast Guard?
Yes, so one by one, bawat plastic lagay sa wing scale.
Yes,
bawat plastic lagay ganon.
Yes, Your
Hindi
Honor.
pwede yung isang buong sako nilagay nyo doon.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Kaya umabot ng 43 hours.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
During that time, the PNP experienced the hospitality of the people of Pinagkurusan, Alitagtag, Batangas. Sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat po. Your Honor, if during our presentation, you will notice some lapses in our courses of action, please guide us, help us, because on that day, everybody was overwhelmed because of the large amount of illegal drugs confiscated. Dahil kung hindi, sino pa ang magtuturo sa amin? Sino pa ang magtatanggol sa amin? In my previous appearances in this honorable body, lagi ko po kayong naririnig na less than 1% lang of the 230 strong PNP personnel ang naliligaw ng landas. Your Honor, these police officers who are part of this accomplishment are part of the 99% police officers whose only mission is to serve and protect the community. It is with high hope that at the end, that the conclusion of this hearing, the PNP be recognized for this accomplishment. Maraming salamat po, and once again, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Yeah, thank you for that information. For the record, I want to wholeheartedly congratulate you for that accomplishment. Wala akong duda.
Yes, sir.
I just want to set the record straight.
Yes, sir.
Wala akong duda sa inyo. Baka sabihin ninyo, pinatawag ko kayo dito ng hearing dahil marami akong pagdududa. Gusto ko lang paliwanag ninyo sa buong kapuluan kung ano yung nangyari talaga.
Yes.
Kung habang nagsalita ka, masyadong mabigat yung delivery of words mo. Mukhang galit ka na siguro sa akin, ha?
Senator,
Congratulations.
gusto lang ho namin din magpasalamat sa inyo sa pagkapatawag nyo para mailahad sa ating mga kababayan ang nangyari. At of course, para pasalamatan ng gusto ang pulis at ang mga tiga Batangas, lahat po ng tumulong, ang mga Coast Guard natin, lahat po, mga piskal, lahat po ng tumulong. Salamat po.
And thank you rin, sir. Being isang former Chief PNP, thank you for promoting spot promotion doon sa Chief of Police ng Alitagtag na nagakandak ng checkpoint. Thank you. At least recognize yung kanilang effort. Thank you. Going back to my question, kindly answer the question. Was that intelligence-driven or random checkpoint? Bulaga lang sa checkpoint or what?
Random checkpoint, Your Honor.
Random. Okay. So, kasi yung ibang nag-isip na sinit up lang daw, gano'n. So, klaro, random checkpoint. Checkpoint. Okay. So, that's talagang the Lord is watching us. Sabi ni Lord, dapat mahuli ka. Dapat ma-checkpoint ka. Di ba? Dapat ma-checkpoint ka. Dahil kung hindi yun na-check, napakaraming buhay masisira sa Shabu na yun. So, magpapasalamat tayo sa sipag ng inyong mga tauhan dyan. Yun nga lang. Diretso na ako sa next tanong ko kanina. Why first time natin ito ngayon na experience na Shabu, ang traffickers ay mga puti. Di ba? Parang ano tingin mo?
Mr.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Senator,
For the technical support, sir, maraming salamat din po. Fellow officers from the Philippine National Police, pleasant morning to all of us. On behalf of PRO Calabarzon, we wish to extend our appreciation in this invitation, an opportunity for us to inform the public of what transpired on April 15, 2024, that eventually led to the seizure of more than 1 ton of meth, commonly known as shabu. In response to the marching order of the Chief of the Philippine National Police that the PNP should be visible on the streets, the PRO identified strategic areas were to set up checkpoints operation to assist in the public and preempt lawless elements from the various activities. It is during the conduct of checkpoint operation last April 15, 2024 at around 7:20 a.m. by the members of Alitagtag Municipal Police Station along Barangay Pinagkurusan, Alitagtag, Batangas, the team led by Police Captain Luis De Luna Jr. was able to flag down a silver Photon passenger van with plate number CBM 5060, with several plate numbers found in front of the passenger seat and loaded with sacks containing clear plastic containers with white crystalline substance. Examination conducted by PDEA confirmed the same to be shabu. At exactly 9:15 in the morning, I informed the Chief PNP, Police General Romel Francisco Marbil, of the discovery of the illegal drugs. Ang instruction po niya is to secure the suspected illegal drugs. For 43 hours, I acted as the ground commander from the time of unloading until the official turnover to PDEA in Quezon City. The driver of the flag-down van was later identified as Mr. Ajalon Michael Sarate, who claimed to have no knowledge of the illegal drugs confiscated in this operation, was arrested and subjected to on-site inquest proceedings on April 16, 2024 for violation of Section 5 of Republic Act 9165 and Section 31 of Republic Act 4136, as several plate numbers were initially found inside the van. The confiscated illegal drugs were continuously inventoried in accordance with existing laws for almost 35 hours. Likewise, backtracking of the CCTV footages were undertaken, which lead us to Nasugbo, Batangas, where the illegal drugs were offloaded from a sailboat. Operatives were also able to identify the true identity of the arrested suspect and his cohorts, who were in 3 separate vehicles found to be in convoy with the intercepted Photon van. Lateral coordination with the other law enforcement agencies were made for further verification of the suspect and other identified personalities. At this juncture, I would like to take the opportunity to publicly acknowledge the assistance and support extended to us by Honorable Edelberto Pungos, the Mayor of the Municipality of Alitagtag, Batangas, Honorable Alfredo Mertola, the Barangay Chairman of Pinagkurusan, Alitagtag, Batangas, and all the members of their council. The traffic enforcers who directed the flow of traffic under the heat of the sun, members of the Batangas Prosecutor's Office and media practitioner, our witnesses during the almost 35 hours of continuous inventory. Wala pong tulugan ito, Your Honor. And most of all, the people of Barangay Pinagkurusan, Alitagtag, Batangas, who stayed with us for almost 43 hours. During that time, the PNP...
Sensya na po kayo.
At yun nga po mga kaibigan, dito po nagtatapos ang ating reaction video. Muli ako po si I2K ng Sundalo ng Tunggalo. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Yeah, peace out.